This tutorial will show you how to bookmark a website using Safari for iOS, iPhone, or Apple smartphone devices completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel with all notifications. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so step 1 to bookmark a website for Safari, iOS completely for free, is open up Safari and type in a website that you would like to bookmark. In this case, I'm clicking on Google Trends. I'd like to bookmark this, so how do I do that? Well, I'm glad you asked. Basically, you want to click on the website, go to the bottom hand screen right here, underneath the website, and click the middle icon where it says share. And then scroll down and click the third option, which is above favorites, and below add to reading list, which says add bookmark. And then again, you can save it or you can customize this however you want. And then on the fourth option right here, next to the icon we just clicked, or this book icon, you want to click on it. And then right there, the book icon, you want to scroll down. And bada bing, bada boom, we successfully have our website that we just bookmarked. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.